Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I'm back with another video for your head top, bro. What are you doing? You're messing up my entire intro by cleaning. What are you doing, bro?
I'm cleaning my house.
Okay, well can I do this?
Yeah.
Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. Today, man, we have a very, very special video for y'all. Y'all know that me, Reebok, we've been getting very, very tight. And in Atlanta, they have a crazy event that's going on, North Atlanta. It's supposed to be like some crazy celebrity game. And of course, they are blessing your boy with a pair of sneakers. Now, of course, I know what pair of sneakers these are. I'm not gonna tell you that because I will ruin the video. Just know it is some heat in the video and also a great event that we got planned for the day, so hopefully you guys enjoy the content. By the way, I am giving away 2 boxes of cereal for the Travis Scott cereal if anybody's interested. Super easy to enter. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my other channel that's in the description, and follow me on Instagram and comment done under this photo. That's all you have to do. And if you want cereal, if you like Travis Scott, or if you're just hungry, do what you gotta do, bro. That's on dog. Today, I got my boy Mike with me. Mike, can you come out the back, bro, so they can see you? Here we got my boy Mike, man. Y'all might recognize Mike from either my Instagram.
They do. They do. I'm a big deal, all right? It's your boy Head Capone. I'm gonna shout myself out. Matter of fact, it's my damn YouTube.
We got a lit vlog for y'all today, bro. Like I said, we got a lot going on. Right now, we downtown Atlanta. And even though, bro, this is why I love Atlanta, but I hate Atlanta. Mike, tell me if I'm lying. Tell me if I'm wrong, right? How close is this event? How many miles?
This is 4 miles.
4 miles. How long would it take to drive 4 miles right now, bro?
23 damn minutes.
Why does it take 23 minutes to drive 4 miles, bro? It's Atlanta. It's overpacked. If I got anybody out there living in New York, LA, Chicago, I know it's just as bad there, but that still don't make me feel no better. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I still feel terrible. We gotta drive 22 minutes for 4 miles just to go to this event. But still, man, yeah, I'm super excited. I cannot wait to get started. Today's sneaker I will be rocking. Let me go over here and grab it. It is the sneaker that Reebok actually sent your boy, and that is the Reebok Alter the Icon sneaker. I did get a chance to wear these earlier this week, and they super comfortable, bro. Very, very comfortable. Very, very classic look, by the way. So I'm excited to throw these on at the Reebok event and be kind of fly. I'm not gonna hold you. If anybody want these, man, I'll probably drop a link down below in the description for y'all to pick these up. They only going for about like 80 bucks right now, which probably will be in my next video on like the lowest, cheapest, best sneakers to pick up in 2019. Man, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Every time I come downtown, every time I like set foot downtown, the first thing I think about is I have to move down here eventually. I know LA is big, Chicago is big, New York is big. I'm a Cleveland dude, man, but I absolutely love Atlanta. I don't ever wanna move from Atlanta. The weather here is great, the people here is great, the opportunity is out of this world. So much opportunity here, man, it's crazy. And like, whenever you think about like popping places, Atlanta is one of those places, and it's very cheap to live. Man, okay, what is up, everybody? As y'all can see, back home from the event, man, it was fire. Super loud in there, way too much music to actually vlog in there, so that's why I did not vlog at all. I did get some B-roll. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the event, but like I said, I wanted to get content. First of all, look, yo, Reebok, I like the vibe. Last night the vibe was like completely vintage. They had like old school Xbox, like the first actual generation Xbox, 2K3, 2K2, just trying to bring back that old vibe of what Reebok used to be, especially when it comes to Reebok basketball, because at the end of the day, Reebok really had a nice little wave back in the day. With that being said, even now they're still coming up with dope ideas like the Alter the Icon sneakers, and of course, this pair of sneakers that I have for you guys today. Now, this shoe is in a size 12, and if you watched and paid attention to the vlog, I gave it a sneak peek. Now, just a quick story, all right? Before we open this shoe, I know y'all want to get to it and get on with the video. Growing up, it was two players I looked up to before Chris Paul, okay? Number one was Allen Iverson. Second one was Gilbert Arenas, but it's not about that. It's about AI, man. AI, leave a like right now if you've ever done this before. AI was so cool to me. I was a kid, like very young. You gotta think, man, like in 2001 or 2003 when AI was out there killing, I was like 7 years old, you know what I'm saying? Something like that, I don't know, I ain't do the math, but I was like super young, like very young. But I would sit there and watch AI go out there hoop with the headband and the sleeve, and I used to want to be like it so bad, I would literally go get a sock, cut the bottom of the sock, bro. Yes, I would cut the bottom of the sock, put my arm through it, go in the backyard or go in the living room and act like I'm Allen Iverson. Just thinking about stuff like that and just thinking about what he did for the game of basketball, what he did for sneakers, what he did for Reebok, man. Like, he was a huge monumental piece when it comes to culture, period. So please drop down your best Allen Iverson remembrance, whether it feels like the crossover on Ty Lue, or, you know what I'm saying, the putback dunk you did from the free throw line, or even if it's just a moment from you like I share, you know, when I went in the backyard, cut the sleeve off. Bro, do you know how many whoopings I got for cutting the bottom of them socks out? Mom Dukes don't play that. I'm gonna just tell you now, Mom Dukes don't play that. So as I told you guys, man, this is the Allen Iverson question, and we just gonna do this like we always do it. Here we have it, man. And one thing about the Reebok question is I actually hooped in these. In high school. I had the blue, yellow, and white pair. It was my actual high school pairs. So I'm very familiar with playing with these. I wasn't AI in them, but I could get you a bucket. Now the box is very vintage, man. Of course, you get the AI logo going across the top of the box. You get the Reebok in the bottom right-hand corner. Flip it over to the side, you get this brown type copper look wrapped around the entire sneaker box. As we open it up, like I said earlier in the video, I did show these off, and a few other YouTubers got these in a little bit earlier than me, but I was happy I got a chance to actually wait to the event, and that is the Reebok question double cross. I didn't mean for no sneaker unboxing ASMR or whatever you want to call it. Here we have it. Here we have it. The Reebok question double cross. So obviously, as you guys can see, this sneaker contains of two different colorways. The left shoe, you get this red colorway with the red toe box. You also get the red Q for the question on the back heel of the sneaker. Then for the right sneaker, you get the blue toe box, and of course you get the blue Q on the back for the question on this one. His nickname was the answer. Everybody know he was the answer. Allen Iverson had one of the sickest handles, one of the best games of NBA history. So the answer is another sneaker. This here is called the question. So there's two different ones that was very, very big. Two of his biggest sneakers he had. In my opinion, I've always liked the question a little bit more. Even when playing basketball, I felt these were a lot less heavy. I felt like the answers were very, very bulky. So I didn't really wear those too often. The questions were definitely one of my favorites, though, no question. Cool details that this shoe have before we get into the overall review is in both sock liners, it has year 96 and 97. A lot of people don't know 96 and 97 was Allen Iverson's actual rookie year. The 96 draft might be one of the best drafts of all time. Everybody talks about this 96 draft had so many people, but you had Steve Nash, you had Ray Allen, you had Kobe Bryant, you had Allen Iverson with the #1 overall pick. It was so many nice people. If you Google that draft class, you'll see a lot of historians, but a lot of people in the Hall of Fame. Now let's go over a few of the details so I can give you an overall breakdown of this Reebok question. Starting off on the outer sole, you get this translucent blue sole that actually looks pretty dope. Alongside that, it has Reebok vertically going down the bottom of the sole as well, and you also get that Reebok logo in the middle of the Reebok printed words. Now moving up to the midsole of the sneaker, you get an all white midsole, and depending on what sneaker we're talking about, if you're looking at the red pair, you'll see that red air bubble inside the midsole, and the blue pair has the blue air bubble in the midsole as well. Moving up a little bit more, man, you see this nice, beautiful tumble leather. This material is very, very soft, very, very good. I'm not gonna lie, Reebok does have some good material on a lot of their sneakers, but when it comes down to like the most recent pairs, I honestly can say that this is the best material I felt on a Reebok in a while. Small thing that I did like about the shoe is the Reebok wording going alongside of the laces. I thought that was pretty cool. If you look on the side of the laces, they did spell out Reebok. Very small, but it's just small things like that just makes a theme complete. A mesh tongue going all the way up until you get to the top. And they cap it off with this leather, almost like a collar over the top of the sneaker. As I told you guys, on the back you get the question in red on the left shoe and a question in blue on the right shoe. Alongside that, you get the iconic number 3. This shoe is undoubtedly fire, man. Please let me know how you guys feel about that Allen Iverson question double cross down below in the comment section. Like I said, the suede on the toe box is very, very good on both pairs. The tumble leather is pretty good, and of course the concept is A1. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, because more bangers like this is coming for your head top. Shoes, thank you to Foot Locker for inviting me, and another thanks for Reebok for blessing me with a pair of these sneakers. I look forward to giving you guys some more videos on the way soon. Until next time, man, it is your boy Snapper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.